Welcome to Tutor Online, the place where learning is fun and exciting. Today, we are going to explore something super cool, the 3 states of matter. Everything around us is made of matter and matter can be in 3 different forms. But first tell me, do you know what is matter? Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Solid, liquid, and gas. Solid. Let's start with solid. A solid is something that has a shape of its own. Think of the things like book, a cupboard, pillow, burger, car, shoes, guitar, or a toy. All of these are solids and it can be hard or soft, but it doesn't change shape unless you break it. Liquid. Next, we have liquids. Liquids don't have their own shape, but they take the shape of whatever container they are in. For example, water in your hand or in a glass takes the shape of the glass or your hand. Water in the ice cube tray takes its shape. Other liquids include shampoo, oil, juice, milk, and even honey. Liquids can flow and move, but they stay together in one place. Gases. Now let's talk about gases. Gases are different from solids and liquids because you can't always see them, and they spread out to fill any space they are in. Air is a gas and so is the steam that comes from boiling water. Gases are all around us, even though we can't always see them. Different states of matter include ice, which is solid. This solid then turns into liquid, and the liquid turns into gas. So, solid are the things that keep their shape. Liquids flow and take the shape of their container. And gases spread out and fill up space. Fun fact section. Students, did you know ice is solid water, but when it melts, it turns into a liquid water. And when it heats up, it turns into a gas called steam. Water is special because it can be all 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Wow! Now you know all about 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gases. Solids have their own shape, liquids flow, and gases fill up space. Thanks for learning with us today. Keep watching Tutor Online.